I'll guide you through instantly clearing your iCloud storage and stopping those annoying storage full warnings without buying a subscription. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we get into individual methods to clear iCloud storage, we first confirm what Apple recommends you do. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Your Name, then tap iCloud. Tap Manage Account Storage to view usage details. Review the Recommended for You section to see Apple's automatic storage saving suggestions. Follow any prompts to delete large files or old backups. If you're not satisfied, here's how to manually delete certain items from iCloud, starting with Mac users. Click the Apple menu, select System Settings, then click Apple ID. Next, click iCloud, then click Manage. From here, you can select and delete items such as backups by clicking the minus sign. Next, here's how to reduce iCloud storage on iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap Your Name at the top. Tap iCloud. Tap Manage Account Storage or Manage Storage to view a breakdown of your storage usage. Select an item, such as backups, iCloud Photos, or an app to manage its data. To delete specific item data, tap the appropriate option, for example, Turn Off and Delete, Delete Data, or Delete Backup, and confirm. Here's how to free up space from iCloud.com. Open a web browser, go to iCloud.com, and sign in with your Apple ID. Select the app you want to manage, such as iCloud Drive or Photos. Select the files you want to remove and delete them. This prevents future storage waste. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Apple video tutorials and check the description below for advanced cloud management. Thanks for watching.